Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm out here fishing. I am going for the snook tonight. The snook. Nick and I have been turkey hunting quite a bit unsuccessfully. If you watched our last video, spoiler alert, we didn't know that we were going to be down here when the turkey application process was going on, so I didn't put in for any quota hunts. So we're stuck hunting good old public land here in South Florida, and it's a little bit crazy. But I have an exciting announcement. We have finally hit 25,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Thank you all so much who have subscribed to my channel and who have been following along on all of my adventures. It's cool to share all of these experiences here on YouTube with you guys, so thank you. And with that, we will be doing it's like a giveaway extravaganza. So the next couple of videos that I post will have a giveaway in it, and this one is the very first one. So you have to watch till the end, but the giveaway prize is so good. I'll show you that a little bit later, and then stick around to the end for all of the details on how to enter. It's super simple, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I'm excited just to give back to you guys, so thank you again. It means a lot. I've been sitting here trying to untangle this as I talk to you. Oh, there we go. I don't know why I keep doing this. I missed one of my guides, so I just had to bite that fly off and start again. Wow, wow. But that's okay. I'd rather take a extra 2 minutes to get it properly set up. And it looks like we're good. So I'll tie this fella back on. So I think it was a bite because I was moving it pretty good. Oh, that's a fish. Looks like a fish. Hey, little snook. Come on. There he is! He's smaller than my first. Wait, will you just look at how far my shoe is in the dirt right now? Blah. That literally, we were like, all right, last cast. I'm gonna cast a couple more times now because I let the fly sink a lot more that time than I had all of my other casts. I wasn't letting it sit as long because last time we were fishing, I was having a lot of issues with it getting caught on things on the bottom. So I was making it move a little bit quicker, but he hit it while it was still. So get a couple more casts out there. The next game species that I will be hunting with my bow is turkey. I will be hunting some turkey in Pennsylvania. If you ever bow hunted turkey with a bow, let me know.
How else do you bow hunt turkey?
Huh? What'd you say?
You said bow hunt turkey with a bow.
It's such a beautiful evening. I am officially, if you watched my past couple archery videos, I am officially a 2-eye opened shooter. I think that I shoot a little bit better that way, and I'm comfortable shooting that way. So first round is always for getting the jitters out, the like excitement of I'm out here shooting my bow. Just so excited. Now it's time to relax, to focus on my form, and to actually practice. If you don't practice with good form every time, you won't get better. So that's what I'm doing. One thing that I think I need to do, and I'm going to make another video of this, I think I need a kisser button, because I'm noticing that it's taking me, in my opinion, just a little too long to set my anchor point every time. And for practice, it's no big deal, but when I'm out hunting, like messing with my anchor point, maybe not having enough time to really set my anchor point, although you probably always take your time setting your anchor point. You know what I'm saying? In a hunting scenario, having a kisser button would be very beneficial because I won't have to worry about trying to find it. So I might play with that a little bit. Next video. Future video. I let that one go. That was good. One bad one. The rest of them felt pretty good. I just don't want to put my shoes on it. I normally like flip it up and pull it out. I'm putting one of my, you know, like putting my foot on it for some pressure, but my shoes are all muddy from fishing. So it is time for the first giveaway of our 25K giveaway series. I'm so excited to show you guys all of this good stuff and for someone to win this and to actually be able to use this stuff out in the field this turkey season. So let me show you the goods and then I'll tell you how to enter. So this first giveaway package has been provided by Hunter Specialties. I'm working with Hunter Specialties this season and they make some awesome gear. If you have not seen my video for my turkey season prep, for what I've been using down here in Florida, definitely check that out after this video because their stuff is so good. So I'm really genuinely very excited to share this with you guys. So the first item, I kind of want to take this out of the, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to be a rebel and I'm going to open up your plastic so that I can show you. Okay, so the first item is this chest pack. I'll show you the photo on the back, probably does a better job of showing off some of the features of it, but it has everything that you need for turkey hunting right on your chest, keeps it organized. I'm not actually going to take it off the packaging, obviously, but you have chest pack and then goodies to fill it with. So first, you could probably already hear that making some noise, a box call by HS, slate call. This is the exact one that I have been using all season long. Some diaphragm calls, and then I really like this. If you are a diaphragm person, you'll love this. It's a little clip for your hat to hold your call. So you don't have to like keep it wet in your mouth and then put it in your pocket and it gets all gross. So that is all of the items for the giveaway. Now here's how to enter. You need to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. You can leave any kind of comment you want. Shout out where you're from or ask a question, whatever, just leave a comment below. And you have 1 week from the day this video is published. Again, that will be in the description and then I'll choose a winner at random, and I'll contact you here on YouTube. I'll also put it in the description and comment back to your comment that you are the winner. So please do enter and share this video with someone who would also like this awesome gear by Hunter Specialties. And that's it, you guys. I'm really excited, and I hope that you are too. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.